Question number 1. National flag of Pakistan award designed by A. Amiruddin Khidwai, B. Hafiz Jalandhari, C. Ahmed Ghulam Ali Chagla, D. None of the above. The right answer is A. Amiruddin Khidwai. Master Altaf Hussain stitched the flag. Question number 2. Who wrote the Loyal Mohammedans of India? Option A. Sir Muhammad Zafarullah Khan. Option B. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Option C. Rahmat Ali. Option D. Fazlul Haq. The right answer is option B. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 3. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan set up a scientific society which translated the modern work from English to which language? English to option A. Urdu. Option B. Arabic. Option C. Farsi. Option D. Bengali. The right answer is option A. Urdu. English to Urdu. Question number 4. At the time of independence, there were 9 railway systems operating in India. How many were in Pakistan out of 9? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 6. The right answer is option A 2. Pakistan out of 9, 2 railway. Question number 5. Which of the following air company was the first to operate in Pakistan? Option A. Pakistan Airways. Option B. Orient Airway. Option C. Crescent Airways. Option D. PIA. The right answer is option B. Orient Airways. Question number 6. National predator of Pakistan is option A. Lion. Option B. Snow bear. Option C. Snow leopards. Option D. All of these. The right answer is option A. Lion. Question number 7. The nation's motto of Pakistan is option A. Faith, struggle, unity. Option B. Unity, power, discipline. Option C. Unity, discipline, sacrifice. Option D. Unity, discipline, sacrifice. The right answer is option C. Unity, discipline, sacrifice. Question number 8. Davo is a famous brand of which country? Option A. China. Option B. Japan. Option C. Pakistan. And option D. Republic of Korea. The right answer is option D. Republic of Korea. Question number 9. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Option A. China. Option B. Japan. Option C. Pakistan. Option D. Republic of Korea. The right answer is option B. Japan. Question number 10. Who discovered America? Option A. Christopher Columbus. Option B. George Washington. Option D. Captain Cook. Option D. None of these. The right answer is option A. Christopher Columbus. Question number 11. The first ever atom bomb was dropped on which city? Option A Nagasaki, option B Yokohama, option C Osaka, option D Hiroshima. The right answer is option D Hiroshima. Question number 12. Mesopotamia is the ancient name of option A Sina, option B Iraq, option C Turkey, option D Yemen. The right answer is option A Sina.